Okay, let's play with you then. What toys do you want to play with? I want a color. Okay.
I love coloring.
Here's the want to do the coloring book. Coloring book.
There are 2 coloring books.
And here's the markers. Scribble, scrabble, drawing. It's so much fun. All right. So what do you want to do? I want to
Play with your airplane.
Yep, play with the airplane right here. Airplane.
I'll just get the heart pillow.
Well, I want the car. I'm not a cute person. I'm not ugly either. I'm just a big girl. I'm a big boy. I want both of them. Hello. Don't talk to me. What did I do to you? Nothing. I just don't talk to. I don't talk to annoying people. I didn't even do anything. Well, hey, you're being rude. Why are you being rude? Because I want to, and being rude is cooler. Hey, well, no, it's not.
Being rude is really uncomfortable for other people.
Yeah, and you're making. Yeah, my sister's right. And you're making other people angry, breaking other people sad because of your rudeness.
I want my mommy.
Mommy. What happened? Someone was being rude over there. Oh, sweetie. Hey, Raphael, I heard what all happened, and you should have not act like that. Mommy, I was bored. So that's what you do when you're bored? Be rude to somebody? Go to timeout. Okay. No car toys for you. Mommy, but well, and think about your actions. You just embarrassed me here. You were being rude to another ghost child. Now what did the child do? Go to the child's mom. You embarrassed me. So you're going to timeout. I guess that was rough. I'm brave. I'm sorry for leaving. You're probably bored now. Oh, don't worry. I think what you did was right. You go tell your mommy. And don't worry, the person is in big trouble now. Thank you, Kimberly.
And Chelsea, I did the most things here anyway.
Oh yeah, and Chelsea too. Huh? What happened? Huh? What? I heard something. Huh? What happened? Sarah, you missed everything. Well, someone being mean to me. Where's that person? Come, pick him up. Where is he? Him or her up? Where is he? Oh, he got time out of his mommy. Yeah, he's been rude to you. Don't be rude to my best friend. Wanna play together? Yeah, let's play with the cars. Great idea. Coloring by myself is boring. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, crash the airplane. No. Well, the kids are so cute when they play together. Yeah. Okay, kids, have Romeo, Sarah, come back so I can eat some food. All right, mommy. Okay. out of my Michael. Come on, let's go. Cake. Mommy. Hi, Mommy. You go play with your friends? Yes, I did, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Wait. Damn it. Daddy. I've got a little chair. Hi, honey. Okay, I'll go sit down on my chair. Walking. Okay, let's go. I heard there's some chocolate, like not chocolate, strawberry stuff and strawberry drinks. Oh, I'm in. Okay, this is a basket. Let's try some. I'm so hungry anyway. Yeah.
Awesome.
Alright, here you go. Okay, let's get this one. Delicious cake. Cake is so delicious. The cake is good. I'm so hungry. Well, don't worry. You're gonna get some food after the flight. Well, thank you for watching.
Make sure you subscribe.
And click the notification button so you can know.
We'll make another video.
Bye.
Bye.